byose bitangira n'inkuru. It all starts with a story.
At the end,
Nyuma
it begins with a whore.
bitangira
She's with child when the minds dry up.
n'indaya yari ifite umwana ubwongo bwayo butari bwumva bunaniwe. Ho n'indaya washaka ukayita prostitute kubishaka.
So she becomes a thief.
Hanyuma iyo ndaya byageze aho imaze kubyara yabaye umujura.
But not very good.
Ntabwo ariko yabaye umujura mwiza. But not a very good one. Not a very good. Ntabwo ari umujura w'umuhanga.
She's headed for the gallows when the sisters of San Diablo find her.
Bamujyanye nawe kumumanika ubwo hari abantu b'amasera bamutoraguye.
Take her in and teach her the secrets.
Baramujyanye ngo bamaze kumujyana barongera aribwa yibwa n'abandi bakobwa bamwigisha amabanga
of the dead.
Y'abapfu. They taught her secrets of the dead. Amabanga y'abapfirimira.
When the boy child is born, they tell her,
ako kana kamaze kuvuka kavutse yanda iri kumwe n'abantu bamaze kwigisha amabanga y'abapfu.
You must give him up.
Baravuga ngo uwo mwana ugomba kumureka kagenda.
The gateway to hell is no place to raise a child.
Amayira ajya mu kuzimu ntabwo ajya arera abana.
So she sends him to an orphanage.
Uwo mwana yamwohereje mu kigo cy'imfubyi. She sends him to the orphanage.
And there
aho ngaho
he grows.
Uwo mwana arakura.
And grows.
Arakura.
And grows.
Arakura.
Until the clock strikes 12.
Mpaka amaze kugera imyaka 12.
They tell him you're a man.